A two-day workshop on local currency and capital market development is being underway in Addis Ababa. ECA Finance and Domestic Resource Mobilization Section Chief Sonia Essobmagje told Ethiopian news agency that the significance of local currency financing cannot be overstressed and it is a critical enabler for mobilizing domestic resources, mitigating currency risk, and a stable environment for investment.
Having a strong, capital market is really important, and the capital market can also be a vehicle actually to channel domestic savings to productive sectors, productive investments. So we also see capital markets as a critical tool in every financial sector to make sure that access to finance is actually, is addressed.
According to her, the continent has been severely affected by different crises, and one of the main impacts of the crisis has been also very limited access to international markets. Financial Sector Deepening FSD Africa Program Head Jamima Gathumi said on her part that there is not enough long-term finance to finance infrastructure.
But the problem is that 2.4 trillion that's available in local currency is not being harnessed to meet the needs of the African continent, such as the infrastructure development. Now, the problem that exists is that financial markets right now have certain challenges or certain constraints that affect the flow of that finance to the priorities that need it.
According to her, what Financial Sector Deepening Africa tries to do is to make sure that financial market can be better equipped to respond to those challenges and be able to direct financing to opportunities such as infrastructure developing in Africa. Currency Exchange Fund Senior Vice President Isabelle Lisedina said local currency financing is key to the development of the African continent.
Local currency financing for us is key to the development of the African continent. So finding solutions to finance our economy in a sustainable way, in a resilient way, is the way to develop our economies.
Finding solutions to finance Africa's economy in a sustainable and resilient is the way to develop our economies, she stressed. Ethiopian Securities Exchange Chief Operating Officer Michael Habte, for his part, emphasized the primary purpose of establishing stock exchanges and capital markets is to enhance access to finance.
And we've seen across the world capital markets can play a big role in reducing access to finance issues and improving access to finance, I should say, both for individuals and corporations.
He also stated that the whole idea at the end of the day is for a lot of countries, including Ethiopia, to get away from external financing.